everyone. Today we're gonna be talking how to say this expression. Let's go in Korean.
Let's go.
But hint is it's not 가자. Okay?
I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why?
Welcome back to everyone. My name is Inyoung.
Oh, and I'm Emmanuel. And we're almost going to be late, but we won't be late.
Okay, because you're driving, right?
Exactly.
And we have Leona in the back who is 9 months old, and she's pretty active. You're gonna hear her sometime throughout this video. Oh my god, I'm not even putting this
Breaking
seatbelt.
all the laws. Can't even follow
right
one.
here. So this is a Korean expression. Let's go in Korean. But you know, let's go has many different meanings in English, as you know. Let's go can be literally going somewhere. Let's go, initiating. You know, the verb, right? The action.
Yeah.
So what is the verb go in Korean?
가다.
가다. That's right. You're very confident. Oh, basic word, right? 가다. So you're gonna add 자, right? 가자.
Gotcha.
That becomes let's go because 자 is let.
But I thought you said that's not what we're using.
Okay. So I'm gonna get into it. Hold on. Hold your horses. That's another expression in English. Hold your horses. Which I never understood when I heard it for the first time. Where's a horse?
Y'all ain't never been to Texas.
So I think I have a video how to use let's in Korean in this channel. I go deep dive into the grammar structure and how to use it in different hierarchy. But in this video, I'm gonna talk about this expression, let's go. Because in English, what situation do you say let's go?
Like all the time, every situation.
So what situation?
Like watching a fight.
Watching a fight, let's go.
Yeah, we got 6 minutes left on this video. Let's go.
Oh, you're giving me so many ideas now. I'm just thinking on fly. Okay, so for me, I thought about this let's go as in cheering. When you're watching a game, you can say, let's go, my team, let's go. Split into two.
Oh man, you can't even tell.
Yeah, it's split, yeah. So, do you know how Korean people say, let's go when they're chanting for their team?
Fighting!
So you know this.
Yeah.
Because I've taught you many times, right?
But there's something else too, right?
Fighting. So let's get into that. Sometimes we say fighting, P sound, or sometimes we say F sound, fighting. Because in Korean alphabet, we don't have this letter F. So either it could be H sound or P sound. Okay? Fighting. If you want to say let's go someone, a specific person, let's go someone, let's go Iman, then in Korean, Iman 화이팅. Iman 화이팅.
E-man fighting.
Yeah. 인형 화이팅. My name Inyoung. 인형 화이팅. But another chanting I can throw in Korean.
Another chant.
You don't say chanting? Chant is a noun, right? Okay, that's fair. So Korean people, when we are watching a soccer game, we love soccer, the sport, you know? Not foot, like a football, like American football.
Yeah.
So when we are watching a soccer game, we say 대한민국.
That's it.
따.
That's just the name of your country.
Yeah.
Okay.
We say Korea, right? South Korea. Actually, 대한민국 is the Republic of Korea, which is South Korea, right?
Which is best Korea.
So North Korea is actually the official name is Democratic People of Korea or something like that.
Yes.
Democratic people.
Yeah. Because they stamped out anything that might get in the way of their democracy.
So they're really the example of democracy, I guess. And South Korea is a Republic of Korea, official name. And we use abbreviation as ROK.
Yeah.
ROK.
ROK. Yeah.
ROK. Okay. We're okay.
Okay.
So again, when we're chanting, we say 대한민국. This is the clap that we do. 따다. 대한민국. 대한민국. 따다 따다.
Okay.
Why don't you sing together?
Oh, sorry. 대한민국. 대한민국.
I guess this is gonna be very useful if you're watching Chinese Olympics. Do you say Chinese Olympic or China Olympic?
Well, they're calling them the Beijing Olympic. Usually they name the city.
Beijing, yeah, that's right. So anyway, if you say 대한민국 while watching Beijing Olympic, then it's good. So here's your question. When you're watching a game, Korea versus your country, which one do you cheer for?
Man, I don't even know which is my country.
So if you're watching a game, Canada versus Korea.
Probably Korea.
Oh yeah?
I think so.
What? Okay. Depends on what game we're watching.
Because they have less average mass.
What's that?
Less weight, usually.
Oh, okay.
players.
So that's a good. You triggered a lot of people, a lot of Canadians.
I'm sorry. I know Koreans that are taller than me.
Okay. So what else are we gonna touch on?
We're going to talk about it in 32 seconds. Oh, what am I going to... So what if I'm just like really needing to get around this crappy... Let's go! Oh, man.
He wants to get his massage. He's gonna be late.
Yeah,
You have to be there in 2 minutes.
I feel bad.
So anyway, if you wanna say yeah, let's go. In Korean, we're gonna say 빨리. Just like we use 빨리 in every situation, pretty much. Korean people love 빨리. We have 빨리 culture, right? Quickly, okay? 빨리, hopefully you enjoy this video. If you did, make sure to give it a like. So if you have any questions, comment down below. Then we'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.